If you're only using AI for chatting, you're making a huge mistake. Right now, millions of people open ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools every day. They ask random questions, they get quick answers, and then they close the app. But while they're doing that, other people are using the exact same tools to build businesses, find clients, create content, learn new skills, and make money online. The truth is simple. AI is not just a chatbot. It's one of the biggest opportunities of this decade. And if you learn how to use it properly, it can completely change the way you work and earn. In this video, I'll show you 6 powerful ways people are using AI to get ahead while everyone else is still using it for basic conversations. Let's get started. 1. Creating content faster. The first way smart people use AI is content creation. Think about it. Every YouTube video starts with an idea. Then you need a script, a title, a thumbnail concept, and a description. That process can take hours, but AI can help generate all of that in minutes. Creators are using AI to brainstorm ideas, write scripts, generate hooks, improve titles, and plan entire content calendars. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to create, they spend more time actually creating. And that's a huge advantage. 2. Video editing and design. The second way people use AI is to speed up creative work. Now, AI won't magically make someone a professional editor overnight, but it can make editors significantly faster. Need motion graphic ideas? Need better transitions? Need visual suggestions? Need thumbnail concepts? AI can help. Many creators use AI as a creative assistant. And when you can finish projects faster, you can take on more work, which means more opportunities to earn. 3. Finding clients. This is one of the most powerful uses of AI. Most freelancers struggle because they don't know how to find clients. They spend hours writing messages, writing proposals, and trying to convince people to hire them. AI can help create professional outreach messages, client proposals, and cold emails in seconds. Instead of guessing what to write, you can focus on actually getting conversations started. And more conversations usually lead to more clients. 4. Learning skills faster. Imagine having a tutor available 24 hours a day. That's basically what AI can become. Want to learn video editing? Ask AI. Want to learn marketing? Ask AI. Want to learn business, sales, communication, or productivity? Ask AI. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, you can get personalized explanations instantly. The people who learn faster usually grow faster, and AI is helping millions of people do exactly that. 5. Research and productivity. Let's say you're making a YouTube video, or starting a business, or learning a new topic. Normally, research can take hours. You read articles, watch videos, take notes, and organize information. AI can help summarize information, explain difficult topics, compare ideas, and save a huge amount of time. And time is one of the most valuable resources you have. Saving even 1 hour every day adds up quickly over a year. 6. Starting an online business. This is where things get really interesting. Many people think starting a business requires a big team. But today, one person with AI can do things that previously required several people. AI can help with content creation, marketing ideas, business planning, customer communication, and productivity. That's why more people than ever are starting online businesses, personal brands, and digital services. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Conclusion. Now here's the part most people don't understand. AI isn't replacing people. People who know how to use AI are replacing people who don't. The biggest opportunity in 2026 isn't AI itself. It's learning how to use AI before everyone else does. Because the people who learn these tools today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. So stop using AI only for chatting. Start learning. Start creating. Start building. Because the future belongs to the people who know how to use the tools of the future, and the best time to start is right now. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more AI, technology, and future-focused content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you